Some problems don't wait for work hours. When something breaks, everything stops. Unplanned downtime costs more than money. It costs time, focus, moments that matter. What if you knew, before it failed, WAIT gives you continuous visibility into the health of your equipment? It starts with sensors built for the harshest environments, capturing vibration, temperature, and more. Data moves through a secure, purpose-built mesh network, scaling across your entire operation. AI detects what others miss, and certified analysts turn it into clear, actionable guidance, from detection to collaboration to repair. You'll know what to fix, when to fix it, and why it matters. Because reliability isn't just about machines. More moments, fewer emergencies, reliability for real life. WAIT, creating a world where nothing breaks.